Welcome back, folks. Today's Monday. It's time for an update. We're going to be sowing some seeds and 2 ways of growing water spinach, one in a bucket and one in the big system. Let's get to it. I already did oregano, parsley, coriander, 2 types of basil, and chives. Okay, let's try something new. It's called rocket or arugula and lemon balm. Never grew these types of herbs before, so we're gonna give them a try. All we're gonna do is put down a layer of cocoa peat, plant our seeds, give them a little water, and watch them grow. Well, I can't tell you what the pH is, but this is what I can tell you. The ppms are sitting at 648 and water temp is sitting at 71.9. I am trying to save up enough money to get a new pH meter. It is December 29, 44 degrees outside, cozy 74 degrees in the grow room. Well, I gotta say, transferred this spinach from the mini system to the big system just to consolidate, and you can see they are not liking it. They got some good looking roots, but the tops aren't looking too hot. We'll check back on them in 7 days. And wow, folks, look at that. That water spinach is just taking off. It must be called water spinach for a reason. They love water. They're looking nice and healthy, and they're doing awesome. And don't forget to catch next week's episode. And thank you for watching.